8 days after it was introduced, we passed a budget that had what has been called the Drug Dealer Protection Act, under the guise of reform of the Rockefeller drug laws, so-called, which most of you know and all my colleagues know, has been changed, amended, and reformed ad infinitum. You go back to 1976 with the Marijuana Reform Act right up to 2004, the major changes in those statutes that did what was appropriate and reasonable. That was step one in terms of doing harm to the people of the state. A massive get-out-of-jail-free card for thousands of criminals. The second step was done actually probably within hours of the budget being presented to us, and that's the thing we're talking about today, the sealing of records. As Cindy Skilo said, that should have stood on its own. There should have been complete and open awareness by the law enforcement community, notably our DAs, in terms of their feelings relevant to that measure. Some have spoken out. Our special prosecutor in New York City, Ms. Brennan, has indicated her outrage with regard to this particular provision. Friday, I spoke to my district attorney. His name is Richard Brown. You may know him. He was counsel to Governor Carey, distinguished jurist, and has been DA for 19 years. He's dumbfounded by it. I asked if I could speak on his behalf. He said, absolutely. He said, there's no rationale whatsoever for any of this. The fact that you could have all of the people that Senator Skilo's outlined with their records expunged is just amazing when you really think about it. It's arrogance on the part of those who put it forward.